Hello everyone, today we are going to make puri bhaji. As we know, the puri bhaji is so delicious. Everyone likes this recipe. Let's start. I have taken here chopped tomato, onion, paste of coriander, chili. As we know, I have added the oil and put all ingredients in oil, and after that turmeric, red chili, salt, curd as well. Mix everything and take a boiled potato in that and mix well, and add water what you want to gravy in that. Here is a dough ready that I have. When I made this dough, so I put it some hot oil in that. That it will help to your puri will get like crispy like manner. So here is a procedure that you have used this procedure to make the puri bhaji, and it still you have seen here it very nice yummy looking. You just try and make this type only. Thanks for watching.